If you have searched about building a digital marketing agency, then obviously आप कोई ordinary marketer नहीं हो. You are someone who either has an entrepreneurial mindset or someone who wants to scale your income and create an additional revenue stream along with your job. आज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है और सारे बिजनेसेस आजकल ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग पर डिपेंडेंट है टू बिल्ड देयर ब्रांड प्रेजेंस एंड जनरेट रेवेन्यू. ये चीज लोगों के लिए मैसिव अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट करती है who want to start their own agency. Hi guys, I'm Hazel and welcome to Career Live. I have over 5 years of experience in digital marketing and today I'm going to share 10 most important steps जिनको फॉलो करके you can build your own digital marketing agency in the right way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Build strong digital marketing knowledge. कोई भी एजेंसी स्टार्ट करने से पहले डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को अच्छे से समझना बहुत जरूरी है. You should have knowledge of SEO, social media marketing, paid advertising, content marketing, and analytics. You don't need to master everything at once, but you should understand how different marketing channels work together to generate results. Clients agencies को सिर्फ content posting के लिए hire नहीं करते हैं. They hire agencies for strategy, performance, and growth. And that starts with a strong knowledge. Step 2. Choose a specific niche. Beginners अक्सर एक गलती क्या करते हैं कि they try to work with every type of client. But in reality, agencies grow faster when they specialize in one industry. For example, you can focus on real estate, e-commerce brands, healthcare businesses, or personal branding clients. You understand their audience, challenges, and marketing requirements much better. And clients also prefer agencies that understand their industry. Step 3. Decide your services. आप start कर सकते हैं with services like social media management, paid ads, SEO, content creation, or branding. Instead of offering too many services, initially focus on areas where you have strong skills and confidence. As your agency grows, you can always expand your service list. Step 4. Build your personal brand and portfolio. Before clients trust your agency, they need to trust your expertise. Start sharing your knowledge, insights, and case studies on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. Even if you're starting from scratch, you can work with small businesses, internships, or create sample projects to build your portfolio. Your work speaks louder than any marketing pitch. Step 5. Register and structure your agency. Long-term credibility बनाने के लिए you should focus on making your agency professional and structured. Choose a business name, design your brand identity, create a professional website, and if possible, register your agency legally. Step 6. Build a reliable team or network. Initially, you might manage everything yourself, but जैसे जैसे आपका client base grow करेगा, सब कुछ अकेले handle करने में थोड़ी मुश्किल होगी. You can collaborate with freelancers, designers, content creators, or ad specialists based on project requirements. A strong team helps maintain quality and manage workload efficiently. Step 7. Set your pricing structure. Pricing is a very important business decision. You need to research industry standards and decide whether you want to charge clients monthly, retainers, project-based pricing, or performance-based pricing. Your pricing should reflect your skills, experience, and the value you deliver to clients. Step 8. Build client acquisition strategies. कोई भी एजेंसी बिना क्लाइंट्स के ग्रो नहीं कर सकती. You need to focus on consistent client acquisition strategies. आप यूज कर सकते हो LinkedIn networking, social media content, cold emailing, referrals, और freelance platforms to find clients. The key is consistency and strong communication skills. Many agencies fail not because they lack skills, but because they don't focus enough on client acquisition. Step 9. Focus on results and client relationships. Getting clients is important, but retaining them is even more important. Always track campaign performance, share reports, and maintain transparent communication with clients. जब clients results देखते हैं and when they feel valued, they stay longer and often refer your agency to others. Long-term client relationships are the backbone of successful agencies. Step 10. Keep learning and scaling. Digital marketing is constantly evolving. New tools, platforms and strategies keep entering the market. जितनी भी successful agencies है, वो continuously अपने skills को upgrade करती रहती है. Building a digital marketing agency requires patience, consistency, and smart planning. It may not become successful overnight, but with the right strategy and dedication, it can become a highly rewarding career and business opportunity. अगर आप ये सारे steps follow करते हैं, then you can build a strong foundation for your agency and grow it successfully. And yes, if you are looking for an institute that helps you build practical skills along with your career support and high-paying job opportunities, I have added a helpful link in the description below. I hope this video gave you clarity and motivation to start your agency journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Career Lift.